If you want to turn on the top stories card in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is a simple setting that can make your Edge homepage feel more useful by showing news and trending content right where you open your browser. And if you enjoy easy software tutorials like this one, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to your homepage. On the page, look for the settings icon that looks like a gear. This is usually found on the top right side of the page, and it controls the layout and content shown on your Edge start page. Click that page settings icon to open the customization menu. Once the menu appears, look for the section related to content settings. In that area, you should see an option that says Manage. Click Manage to open the content settings controls. This is where Edge lets you decide what kinds of cards and content appear on your home page. Now scroll or look through the available options until you find Show Top Stories card. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. If it is turned off, click it once to switch it on. As soon as you do that, Microsoft Edge will enable the Top Stories card on your homepage, so you can start seeing that content right away. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh the page once and it should appear. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Top Stories card in Edge. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your browser homepage more informative and personalized. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips and browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.